Welcome back, everyone, to another cocktail episode here at Forever Acres Kitchen. Continuing on with our spring and summer cocktail series. Today, we're making the Kentucky sweet tea. Yeah, it's as delicious as it sounds. So let's get started. All right, so for this cocktail, you're gonna need some bourbon and some limoncello. Limoncello is a wonderful lemon liqueur. You can sip this by itself, chilled, with some soda. It's fantastic. I really love this stuff, and you can make it at home, but it's quite a process. So I like buying just a good quality limoncello, and of course some good Kentucky bourbon. I'm using one of my favorites, Buffalo Trace. And then you can use a highball glass, but if you got a mason jar, this is sweet tea. Let's enjoy it in a mason jar. So let's get started. All right, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of the Buffalo Trace. We're then going to add 3/4 ounce of the limoncello. Let's add some ice. We're going to pour in our tea. I'm using sweet tea. And then we're going to give this a good stir. Top it off with some more ice. And we're going to garnish that with a lemon wheel and a dehydrated lime wheel. What a great looking drink. You don't need no fancy straws or anything. Sip it just like that right out of the mason jar. Let's have a taste. Oh my God. Wow, that is a fantastic drink. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be sipping on this all summer long on my porch. Cheers. Stay tuned. We got a lot more coming up for the spring and summer cocktail series. This is a great one. Make this. Till then, cheers and drink well, my friends. Drink well. Oh my gosh, that's dangerous.